then raise knee, then kick, back muna, kick, raise, back, okay, raise, kick, then ganito muna, yan, ganito muna ang forma, then nandito to, open, then twist your body, twist, okay, then elbow, right, twist, then elbow, right, twist, elbow, okay, wala pa akong elbow, ito na, raise, side, balik mo na, balik mo na dito, then bagsak dito, bagsak mo na dito, then pagbagsak, open, then twist, forward stance dapat yan, forward stance, okay, 1, 2, 3, pagbagsak dito, open, then elbow, so, kick up, yan, then bagsak to, open, then elbow, okay, lower knee. Okay, now steady. Pagtingin mo doon, ito gagalaw. Okay, so coordination ng isip at saka ng katawan. Okay, 1. Pagtingin mo doon, nandun ka na kaagad. Okay, 1. Okay, 1, 2. So 1, from there, 1, slow, ito may sigalag sa dito taas, so baba, okay, 1, then, ititwist mo to, ititwist mo yun, gano'n, okay, kasama na yung hand strike, okay, 1, 2, select, hitch, from there, 1. Okay. Then twist, then chop. 1,